I'm Dr. Devayani. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon and I practice in Mumbai. Liposuction is a very common procedure which a lot of patients come in to ask. It is minimally invasive, it doesn't leave big scars, and the recovery is quick. However, liposuction is a procedure under anesthesia. So now coming to what can be done after liposuction to make sure that you get the best result which has been created for you. Important to remember is that liposuction is all treatment under the skin. So we are not cutting any skin or we are not removing any extra skin. We need this skin to shrink as well as it can. And this depends on the collagen and the elastin content in the skin. The older you are, or if you've had multiple pregnancies, it is likely that your skin will not shrink as well as it should. If you have a lot of stretch marks, again that area may not shrink as well as we want it. So what can be done to expedite the shrinkage of the skin and making sure that it responds in a way to give you the best result? Wearing a post-surgical garment is paramount. It is the first thing we do after the surgery when you have woken up, and make sure that you wear your garment on time. The garment is usually customized to fit you and your curves well. It should not be loose in one area and tight in the other to create a gradient of pressure. We want the pressure to be even all around. So it is important that somebody measures you and gives you a garment which is according to your dimension. Now, for example, if you're treating the abdomen and the thighs, you will need a garment which goes a little beyond the treated areas. So there is no cut off and the swelling is uniform. After liposuction, you do expect to get some amount of bruising, some amount of swelling, and when that shrinks and the swelling goes away, your skin will also contour to your body much better. So when it comes to wearing the garment, we advise for the first 2 to 3 days that you wear the garment for about 12 hours a day till you get used to it, till your skin has a chance to recover from the surgical procedure and you also get a little breathing space. After 3 to 4 days, however, we always recommend that the garment is worn for longer periods of time, almost 18 to 20 hours a day. So basically, you work with the garment, you sleep with the garment, and you take it off only while having a bath or while doing your massages and resting a little. Once you resume your workouts after surgery, that also needs to be done with the garment on. Over a period of time after surgery, you will keep shrinking. The skin and your body will start feeling smaller because that's what we wanted to do. So the garment also needs to be altered accordingly. The people I work with take your measurements every 2 to 3 weeks and they will tailor the garment for you, making it tighter. It is common for patients to drop a size after surgery or more. So if you are wearing an XL garment, you may go to a large or a medium. If you're wearing a large garment, you will slim down accordingly. That depends on what procedure has been done exactly. Now the garments can get a little hot. You can feel a little itchy and irritable inside. So the best way to get relief from that is to moisturize your skin well. Make sure there's no dryness or irritation, flaking or scaling on the skin. So for this, you can use the moisturizer you like, or you can use a neutral oil like an olive oil or an almond oil or a non-fragrant coconut oil. Just use a minimal amount to moisturize your hands and make sure that you're spreading it evenly. Now there is a little technique involved in post-liposuction massage. People often ask me, Doctor, do we need to get lymphatic drainage done? Do we need to get post-liposuction massage therapists come to our house and do the massage for us? In most cases, this is not required. The recovery from liposuction is fairly seamless and you can do the massages yourself at home. Just know that the pressure has to be mild to moderate and can be gradually increased once your soreness has gone away. Know the direction in which your massages have to go. They have to go away from the areas which don't have any lymph draining points. So commonly these areas are the armpits and the groin and the neck. So make sure you massage towards these areas and not away from them. This helps the drainage flow better. Massage has to be in gentle circular motions with mild to moderate pressure to begin with. And this needs to be done only once or maybe twice a day if it makes you feel nice. The massages are to be resumed only after the bruising has settled and the swelling is overall under control. Massages will make you feel very nice and help with your recovery, and the skin shrinks well while staying moisturized so it doesn't itch or crack or develop any kind of irritation. Always know that the compression garment is going to be your best friend for the next 2 to 3 months after liposuction. It needs to be worn diligently, it needs to be looked after, and you need to get it altered regularly so that it compresses your shrinking body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with somebody who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.